This word reads the same forward and backward. Let's understand how it works. This is called a palindrome and we can check it using JavaScript. First, we take a word, madam. Now, we convert this word into individual letters using split. Then, we reverse these letters and join them back into a word. Now, we compare the original word and the reversed word. If both are equal, it means it's a palindrome. Let's run this and see the results. You can see it says palindrome. Now let's try another word, hello. Now it says not palindrome because it's different when reversed. That's how you check palindrome in JavaScript. Simple and useful. Follow for more beginner friendly coding videos.